Open the Chat Exporter Pro extension from your browser. Now click on Buy Pro or Activate License. A secure payment page will open in a new tab. Here, fill in your customer information such as your name, country, phone number, email address, city and postal code. Please make sure your email address is correct because your license key will be sent to this email after payment. After filling in the information, click Proceed to Payment. Now, choose your preferred payment method. For card payment, click on Card. Enter your Visa or MasterCard or credit card details, including card number, expiry date, CVC, CVV, and cardholder name. Then click the Pay button. Your bank may ask OTP or 3D secure verification. Complete the verification using your phone or banking app. Once the payment is successful, your license key will be sent automatically to your email. After receiving the license, open Chat Exporter Pro again. Enter your license key and activate the Pro features. Thank you for purchasing Chat Exporter Pro.